everybody, how are you doing? Yes, I've got the Christmas tree in the background and it's not even Thanksgiving yet, but oh well, I just love it. I wanted to give you guys a comparison of some model bangs and ponies that I've purchased so you guys can decide which one you like, or if you don't like either one. The one that I'm wearing right now, also I'll put the description of both of them below, so I won't have all the details while I'm doing this video, but I'll make sure I put it below. So this one is the model pony and bang, and it's called the Swoop bang, and this is what it looks like. Okay, and it comes with a ponytail, and here is the ponytail. Oops, it needs to be brushed, huh? Okay, let me turn around. Okay, and this is how you put this on. There's 3 clips. Let me take it off so you can see. Okay, it's kind of attached to the pony. Okay, so this is what it looks like. There's a snap here and 2 snaps here. Okay, and there's my hair sticking up, and you stick the ponytail on any way you can. And so that's the Swoop bang. And so this one is called the blunt bang. I don't have the paperwork for the Swoop bang, but it looks just like this, but it just says Swoop bang. And this says Yaki Straight OT30. That's the color of both of them. And it is blunt bang. And some people call it like a Chinese bang. And it was kind of, here we go. So let me put this on. The ponytails are exactly the same. Let me put this on so you can see the difference. So you can see the 3 snaps. Okay. Okay. So this is what the blunt bang looks like. And a lot of times it's harder to find the blunt bang than it is the Swoop bang, you know, available online at Sam's Beauty or wherever you shop at. Also, with the blunt bang, the coloring is a little different. As you can see, this is darker at the top and just a little bit lighter at the bottom. But this one is mostly all light, and you know, it's kind of, it's not an ombre effect like this one. This is ombre, and this one is just strips of different colors. So keep that in mind. And let me show you, I just dropped it, what the ponytail looks like. Okay, so this is what the ponytail looks like that comes with the blunt, but it also looks the same for the Swoop. And you can see the inside. I haven't worn it yet. So take this out. Has the drawstrings, and then it has 2 combs on either end. And again, the color is OT30. So this ponytail looks exactly like the one I have in my head right now. So I could make 2 ponytails. Oh, that would be cute, huh? 2 ponytails. Anyways, I just wanted to give you guys a comparison for you to decide which one you like better for yourself. Okay, if you have any questions, leave comments, and as always, please like and subscribe. Take care.